Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a get it all done with me. This video has been filmed in a span of a few days, so you guys will see me in different outfits. I will not be speaking much in this video, so let's get into it. I hope you guys enjoy it. I'm going to be doing a very simple lunch. I'm doing some french fries with some ginger sweet sauce wings. After straining the water, I'm gonna be adding some flour. Flour coats these french fries very well, and it gives them like an extra layer of crunchiness, which I really love. I'm just gonna add some seasoning and mix it up together. The chicken has already been seasoned, so now I'm just gonna add some flour and some seasoning and just mix it up together until each of the chicken has the flour on it. And this really and truly just adds some crunchiness to the chicken as it does to the french fries. We can leave a trace. This is my favorite mistake. Oh. Can you find the lies? Do you feel the after frying the french fries and the chicken, I'm gonna go ahead and make the sauce. And right now I have some ginger that I'm grating. You can create your own sauce for any dish. So I'm basically adding some ginger, some barbecue sauce and some sugar. I'm gonna mix it together and put it on the stove, add some water, let it reduce, and then add the wings back into the pot.
Mean nothing to y'all, but understand nothing was done for me, so I don't plan on stopping at all. I want this shit forever, mine, ever mine, ever mine. Shut shit down in the mall. It's Sunday, girl, she the one for me, and I ain't even planning the call. I want this shit forever, mine, ever mine, ever mine. Last name ever, first name greatest. Like a sprained ankle, boy, ain't nothing to play with. Started off local, but thanks to all the haters, I know G4 pilots on a first name basis. In your city, faded off the ground. Nino, she insists she got more class. We know, swimming in the money, come and find me. Nemo, if I was at the club, you know I balled. Chemo, dropped a mixtape, that shit sounded like an album. Who'd have thought a countrywide tour would be the outcome? Labels want my name beside an X like Malcolm. Everybody got a deal, I did it without one. Yeah, nigga, I'm about my business. Killing all these rappers, you would swear I had a hit list. Everyone who doubted me is asking for forgiveness. If you ain't been a part of it, at least you got to witness. Bitches, it may not mean nothing to y'all. Understand nothing was done to me, so I don't plan on stopping at all. I want this shit forever, mine, ever mine, ever mine. Shut shit down in the mall. And Sunday, girl, she the one for me, and I ain't even planning the call. I want this shit forever, mine, ever mine. Never miss the whistles in the building. Ain't no question who about the key. I used to have hood dreams, big fame, big chains. I stuck my dick inside his life until that bitch came. I went hard, all fall like the ball teams, just so I can make it rain all spring. Y'all seen my story, my glory. I had ripped the game young. You could call it statutory when a nigga blow up. They gon' build statues for me. Old money, Benjamin Boy. Super bad chicks giving me nigga love. And who would think I ran the world like Michelle?
This is a DIY multi-purpose cleaner that I made, and I have a video up right now showing you guys exactly how I make it, so you could go ahead and check it out.
Trade the Grammy plaques just to have my granny back. Remember she had that bad hip like a fanny pack. Chasing the stars, I'ma turn you to a maniac. All the way in Hollywood and I can't even act. They pull the cameras out and goddamn he snap. I used to want this thing forever, y'all can have it back. It may not mean nothing to y'all. Understand nothing was done to me, so I don't plan on stopping at all. I want this shit forever, mine, ever mine, ever mine. Shut shit down in the mall. And Sunday, girl, she the one for me, and I ain't even planning the call. I want this shit forever, mine, ever mine, ever.
I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you guys want any more like let's talking video. Don't forget, kindness is free. Be kind to everyone you meet. You never know the impact that they might have on your life. Until next time, bye guys. Enjoy your weekend.
Just to say how much you mean to me. What would you do if I told you you were beautiful? Would you date me on the regular? Tell me, would you? Well, baby, I've been around.